I'm taking eyeliner and I'm just lining her eyebrows. I'm not shaping them. I'm just kind of, what's it called? Shaping them up. Wait, that doesn't make sense. Hello. I'm sneezed.
I'm the guinea pig.
I don't thread eyebrows, but I'm teaching myself how to.
She already did the first one, so we decided that we would take a video for the second one. Also, some of you who follow us on Instagram may have seen that we were playing around with this, but it was just too much for me to handle, so I didn't do it. But today, we're finishing what she started. So here we go.
I'm taking eyeliner and I'm just lining her eyebrows. I'm not shaping them. I'm just kind of, what's it called? Shaping them up. Wait, that doesn't make sense. I'm not shaping them. I'm going with the natural shape. I'm cleaning them up. Where this line is, I'm gonna thread all the hairs under it.
Okay.
Personal preference. I do bottom then top.
All right, so here she goes.
She looks jacked up. It's good that we're in a pandemic. Someone's gonna see
Yeah,
her.
I'll have time to grow them back. Okay, wait, hold on. Y'all, this mess hurts. I'm doing this so you guys can see how eyebrows get done. All right.
This is wrapped 9 times, so when I go like this, it's gonna pull the hairs. What I'm doing is kind of moving her hairs down from the line that I need to get. Okay, let's start.
Okay.
Put the hairs right in this area.
Oh my gosh. That one was thick. Oh. Okay, wait, we need a break.
Okay.
Can we play some music
Sure.
to like soothe my nerves?
Alexa, play jazz.
Thank you.
You can't be moving now. I'm brushing her actual eyebrow hairs out of the way so that I don't get any of those. Ow! Oh, put your eyebrow down. So I'm having her do this so that I can get the hairs that are like up under here. I wrapped this the wrong way. If you wrap it the wrong way, it won't grab anything. If it's not grabbing anything, that you wrap it the right way. I'm having to pluck like a few right up under here because I couldn't get it with the thread. That's her under. Now, I don't know if you guys can tell, but her tail, you can see like where it's more so at the top. So that's what I'm about to draw so that I can do the top. But I brush down so that you don't get too much hair.
That's why she take it away.
You cannot put it back. So anything outside of the line, it's not too much at the top, but anything outside, like for her tail purposes, right here. I don't know if you guys can see this like little cluster of hair. It's not too much. That's all gonna go, and then like right up here, and then I'm gonna get right in between. Now, some of her hairs, the way they're growing, I'm trying to use this side instead of this side, and I'm trying to get up under it and then pull it out like that. It's stubborn like me. There we go. There you go.
Wow, Niecy, they look better.
In this pandemic, we can still look cute.
Wow, my face looks so much better. I was looking raggedy, like a ragamuffin. Wow, so as you guys can see, she cleaned up. Girl, you did that? Okay. All right, girl, I feel like I really got my eyebrows done. I'm impressed. All right, so now we got to get the unibrow. Okay.
Normally that doesn't hurt that much. It's just like a little bit.
Talk us through it.
It's the same concept, but I go at an
Woo,
angle.
girl, yes it does
Oh,
hurt.
I'm sorry. My hands don't know what to do. They look like they're crip walking.
Girl, it hurt. And there you have it. I got my eyebrows done. I can see a difference for real. They just look more polished and clean.
Like I said, I am not a professional. Went on YouTube and tried to figure out how to do that whole wrappy thingy and just went to town. So this is the finished product, guys.
Very good, Niecy. All right. Next time we'll be doing something different. Stay tuned. See ya. Hey.
Oh, bye.